Every day, millions of drivers rely on their tires without a second thought. They grip the road, handle corners, and keep passengers safe. But what if I told you? Tires aren't just a safety feature, they're the most important one in your car. Statistically, modern tires have helped cut road fatalities by over 80%. That's not luck, that's engineering. But here's the strange part. Tires handle extreme heat, rain, and snow while touching the road with a patch barely the size of your hand. So, how do they keep us so safe? The first tires weren't rubber, they were wooden wheels wrapped in iron. They shook passengers violently on every bump, dangerous and unstable. Engineers tried leather for cushioning. It wore out fast. Rubber seemed like the answer until summer heat turned it to goo and winter made it crack. Then, in 1839, Charles Goodyear discovered vulcanization, transforming rubber into something strong, durable, and temperature-resistant. It changed everything. Modern tires aren't just rubber rings, they're precision-engineered safety tools. At any moment, only a tiny contact patch grips the ground. That patch moves the car forward, helps it stop, and lets it turn, all thanks to friction. No friction, no control. But if friction is key, why not just make tires bigger? Racing cars do exactly that, but it kills fuel efficiency. For everyday drivers, it's about balance, grip, and mileage. Tread patterns aren't random. In rain, they channel water away from the tire to prevent hydroplaning, a deadly condition where the car loses contact with the road. But here's something most people get wrong. Not all tread is created equal. Summer tires are firm, grip dry roads, but stiffen in cold. Winter tires stay soft in freezing tongue and dig into snow, but wear fast in heat. All-season tires try to do both, not perfect, but versatile. Tire blowouts used to be deadly and common. Today, they're rare, thanks to tire pressure monitoring systems that alert you before disaster strikes. But most trucks still don't have them. Companies like Mira Dynamics are changing that by developing systems for heavy vehicles too. Then there's tire noise. Early tire treads caused a loud, repetitive hum on highways. Modern engineers fixed that using pitch sequencing, varying tread block sizes to scatter vibrations and reduce noise. Foam linings and asymmetrical grooves now make rides quieter than ever. At test facilities, tires are driven across wet tracks to simulate rainstorms. They measure braking distance, cornering grip at high speeds, and rolling resistance. They also use advanced test rigs to twist, compress, and deform tires, tracking every tiny movement with high-speed sensors to make constant improvements. Electric vehicles are bringing new challenges. Heavier batteries, instant torque that destroys tires faster, sometimes needing replacements in just 15 to 20k miles versus 40,000 in gas cars. But it's also an opportunity. Tire companies are racing to develop low-resistance rubber compounds to improve EV range. Soon, you may never worry about flats again. Airless tires use flexible webs instead of air, no blowouts, no refills. Self-healing tires are being developed using rubber that seals punctures instantly. That means fewer roadside emergencies, and a future with virtually maintenance-free driving. From wooden wheels to self-healing rubber, tires have evolved into the unsung heroes of road safety. They may not be flashy, but they work every second to keep you alive. And remember, sometimes safety isn't about adding more. It's about understanding what really matters. Want to know why school buses don't have seatbelts and are still the safest rides on the road? Click here to find out.